Dear friend, welcome to an amazing time from the Wisdom Insight from the book of Proverbs. And I can tell you that today is going to be so amazing because I have a lesson for you that will so change your life. So stay to the end, get the lesson, and begin to apply them. Proverbs chapter 23, verse 1. It says, when you sit down to eat with someone important, keep in mind who he is. If you have a big appetite, restrain yourself. Don't be greedy for the fine food he serves. He may be trying to trick you. A lot of young people have been given opportunity to sit down or be before great personality, or for instance, they've been invited to great occasion, and then maybe at some instances they see the opportunity for a buffet, they see the opportunity to eat, and then they see it as a means to be able to replace or substitute for the past poverty. So they want to eat up everything now and believe that that's how it works. Now you must understand that great people, when they invite you for lunch, they are not just inviting you to have the opportunity to eat, they are also trying to measure your kind of personality. They try to see how you can deal with food. They try to see how you can be disciplined when you begin to be there. You see people, they are invited, they sit before great people, they are offered a meal or they go for a buffet, and then they just begin to eat. Sometimes those people will even intentionally begin to raise up discussion just to see if they will speak while they eat. And a lot of people have been disqualified from meeting great personality over and over again. So the Bible here is saying that always pay attention to who is before you. When you are before your friends, you are before people who know you, who understand you, you can eat anyhow. Why? Because they are your guys, they are your cliques, they are your folks. But when it is before great personality, you must be careful. Why? Because sometimes they are trying to trick you, they are trying to test you, they are trying to see the kind of person you are and whether they can offer you more premium opportunities than the one you have right now. So the next time you go and eat before great personality, make sure that you are careful and don't just eat anyhow. See you in my next video till when I share with you again from the book of Proverbs.